cleaning his ears, Bliss? You'd have been a good mommy. Cleaning his eyes now? Aww. What a good boy. Clean him good. You're next, Belle.
In the 21st century. Among the work completed over 26 months, replacing 2,200 sheets of copper on the lower hull, then a complete re-caulking to keep the Constitution seaworthy and watertight.
When the Constitution is in dry dock out of the water, we get to appreciate the beautiful bow, the beautiful long run along her 150-foot keel, and the beautiful exit of her stern. She was a superb sailor, and she could, of course, carry lots of guns, and so she did exactly the job that Joshua Humphreys wanted her to do when he designed her in the mid-1790s.
Ironically, during the long stretch the public was unable to board old Ironsides, attendance went up at the yard. Navy guides giving talks and the staff at the museum deserve kudos for keeping the story of the USS Constitution very much alive.
We have the fun of being able to put the ship's story into context. She served for 200 years, but where has she gone? What was it like to live and work aboard this ship? So we really try to explore the War of 1812 as a moment that most people have forgotten. Why are we fighting Britain?